What's up, y'all? Hope you guys are having a great Thanksgiving weekend. World Cup is on. I mean, there's tons of stuff to watch. NBA is on. The NFL was on yesterday. So, yeah, it's tons of sports to watch as far as the fellas is concerned. So, yeah. Today I'm actually going to do an unveiling of the Nike airmax Excee. I needed a workout shoe to pretty much get me going because I had a pair of shoes that were pretty much beat up, and I needed to replace one of them because you're supposed to technically you're supposed to have full pair of workout sneakers and stuff of that nature. From what I heard, in case you wear out one, you can have another pair and stuff of that nature. So therefore, I ended up going out and purchasing these. These were out on sale and stuff like that. So those are the Nike Air Max XC. This is the black and gray along with the fluorescent green Air Max bubble right there. Yeah, so that those are pretty cool sneakers to say the least. I just needed a pair of sneakers to work out, run in the treadmill, do squats, leg day, the usual stuff. Just and also remain fashionable and stuff of that nature. So this fits the bill. So I'm actually gonna go ahead and show you guys exactly what it looks like. And also I'll be sure to leave the description of the shoe. I'll be sure to leave in the description below the link of where you can get this shoe as well. Um, as well, there's different colors. There's a bunch of varieties, but I prefer getting this one because obviously it's a workout shoe. So most of my workout clothes are black, so it actually matches. And and I have other sneakers that actually matches the other colors of my workout outfit, so you could be stylish when you're working out as well. So like I said before, the link will be in the description below. If you have any comments, feel free to leave them as well. As far as the sneakers, it's a thumbs up. I looked at the reviews, very comfortable shoe and also good to work out in. So therefore, that's why I made the decision to step to it. Yeah, so bear with me and I'll show you exactly what the shoe actually entails in itself. All right. So practically, this is the shoe in a nutshell in itself. So you have the air signal, it's also lime green, fluorescent green, whatever you want to call it. Like I always say, I'm a size 10. I always get a size and a half up. So this is a 10 and a half. Especially Nikes, it comes in handy. Your feet can, don't feel so bunched up and crunched up in there. And that's pretty much what makes the shoe. Obviously, it's a traditional Air Max shoe, so it has the Air Max bubble in the back and very comfortable. The back also has that fluorescent green where the bubble is in the back, obviously, and then obviously it has the gray stitching over here, the gray swoosh, and also the black mesh on top so your foot can stay properly ventilated and stuff of that nature. So this is the shoe in a nutshell. I mean, it's not a sneakerhead collector's item. Of course, it's definitely for working out. So if you're looking for a workout shoe in whatever color, I would strongly recommend getting these. They're definitely good shoes to work out in. I needed a new pair, like I mentioned before, because I wore out one of my other pairs and then I gave another pair away. So I needed to replace at least one while I get my way. And then while I was in the store, I saw this gem on clearance, so I actually picked it up. Definitely great shoe. I can't, I can't say any other things about this shoe, but that it's actually nothing bad about it at all. What I was hoping is probably to get it the sole here, either black or gray. Like the midsole, I prefer that not be white, but hey, it is what it is. It's all good. I'm cool with it. But like I said, there's a variety of colors in these. There's blue and white, there's also red, there's all sorts of colors in these shoes. I'll be sure to leave the link in the description below one more time, like I mentioned earlier. And if you guys are interested, you guys can pick one up for Cyber Monday and stuff of that nature. And it'll be delivered to your home address for sure. Yeah, so that's actually the bottom of it. Is, you know, the only thing you see that represents Nike at the bottom is the swoosh sign, which is right here, and it has good grip down below here. And obviously it's great. Also, I wouldn't recommend playing basketball with it. This probably like a walking treadmill workout type of shoe, considering that most of it is flat, even though it's a little slanted, but for the most part it's flat. So yeah, so that's pretty much good. And obviously the laces are cool as well. They have black laces, very cool laces as well. You could get what I'm gonna do is get some lime green, fluorescent green laces if I can find them, and actually thread them in to make it look a little bit more unique and different. That's pretty much what I'm thinking of. And I mean, if you guys want to make suggestions, feel free to comment below if I should get lime green laces to put in there. Let me know. Just leave me a comment below. And yeah, so that's pretty much a thumbs up on these sneakers. I actually got very lucky to get them at the price I got them at. They were below $60. So yeah, very happy with those. A good shoe on a budget. Good workout shoe on a budget. You can't go wrong with that. Definitely. So I'm extremely ecstatic to put it to the test and work out in them possibly tomorrow morning when I go for my workout. Yes, so I want to say thank you guys for taking the time to watch this video and continue to enjoy my channel. Don't forget to subscribe and have a great rest of your Thanksgiving weekend. All right, guys. Peace.